Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. This method is one of the easiest ways to perform multiplication operations. The answer is standard algorithm. Try using the standard algorithm to solve the multiplication operation below, 120 times 98. The answer is 11,760. So how did we come up with this answer? Let's try to solve this problem over here. That's 120 times 98. And we're going to use the standard algorithm. So let's multiply each place to first the ones place of the second number. So 0 times 8 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry over 1. And 1 times 8 is 8. Plus the carryover of 1, that gives us 9. So since we're multiplying with the tens place now, we start at the tens place and leave the ones place blank. So 0 times 9 is 0, 2 times 9 is 18, carry over 1, and 1 times 9 is 9, plus carry over 1, which is 10. We put an underline here to separate our numbers from our answer, and we put the plus sign here, and then proceed with adding using standard algorithm. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry over 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1, giving us the answer of 11,760. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.